Welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. We have a quick review of steps with words and then with counts. Here we go. Right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, dig, coaster step. Left half pivot, left half pivot. Left cross, coaster step. Right cross, coaster step. Left cross, triple step. Rock, recover, two-step. Turn and a triple step and a pivot and a triple step and a pivot. Okay, here we go. With counts, dizzy from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You go on the diagonal. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we turn half. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. That's it.